Hello and welcome to the training center. Today we have a car for repair with Permahyd 280, which remains for more than 20 years very fast and reliable base coat system. I have measured the color by Color Dialog Phoenix, and now I'm going to mix the best formula offered by color software. Last drops of paint and color is mixed. Now I know also color level of surfacer, which I have to use during the preparation. I will do it off camera. And next time we will meet in a spray booth for application and blending process. The car is prepared and ready for spraying. I've got my blending additive and color. Blending additive is described in our TDS in the blending process. I'm going to apply on surrounding area, but not to the edge of undamaged panel, because I need this space uncovered. Base coat is straightforward, it's 1.5 coat, but each subsequent coat will be applied further, creating nice, smooth, close coat with blending additive. And finally, I'm going to reduce pressure and fade out blending area. Now, let me put my mask on and we start to spray. Tuck rack. We are removing all dust, especially on areas where blending additive will be applied, because blending additive is very transparent. Although in a cup you can see white color, on a panel it will be absolutely transparent. And now, finally, I'm blowing off with a stud gun. Two times. Ready. 2 bars. From bottom to top. One nice close coat, but not to the edge of undamaged panel. Changing cups, same pressure, and main coat. Effect coat little bit further. Very nice close coat. And now I'm going to reduce the pressure. 1.2, 1 bar, 1.2, and with increased distance, very fine fade out area on reduced pressure. Not too much overspray, just very smooth transition area. Done. That's it. Let's flash it off and we will check after base coat will be flashed off. Well, let's check the blending job. Base coat looks good. It's a nice transition area. No mottling, no overspray at all, because blending additive supports the process by absorbing the overspray. And I have ideal substrate now for optimal looking clear coat. Give me a few minutes and I will get clear coat on. Clear coat is baked now and it looks sharp and glossy even on fade out area. And the whole job looks indeed very good. Let's demask the car and go outside to recap all key points. Let's check our blending job. As you can see, there is no halo, there is no mottling, and even clear coat in fade out area looks sharp and glossy. And now let's recap the major process steps. Blending additive 9005 is an optional step. but it helps me to deal with high metallic colors. We applied blending additive on fade out area, but not to the edge of undamaged panel. Base coat forms an opaque film together with blending additive. Nice uniform wet bed. Increased distance, effect coat. It's already part of the blending process. But what I'm doing next, I'm reducing pressure to 0.8, 1 bar, and I can finally fine-tune my blend. And that's it, flash off and tuck rack. Finally, apply clear coat as normal, and you will get results like this. Hope it was helpful, and thanks for tuning in.